Search your soul, and when you find me there, you search no more. Don't tell me it's not worth trying for. You know it's true. Everything I do it for you.
May we all stand for the bride.
Okay, you may be seated. Friends and relatives, we have come today at the invitation of Nick&Song to share in the joy of the wedding. This celebration we shall see and hear is an expression of inner love and devotion they have in their heart. Nick, will you have this woman who you are now facing to her and to be your wife to live together in the holy covenant of marriage?
I do.
Okay. Song, will you have this man who you are now facing to be your husband to live together in the holy covenant of marriage?
Yes.
Okay. Song,
Song,
you are my wife.
you are my wife.
I will love you,
I will love you,
comfort you,
comfort you,
honor you
honor you
in the time
in the time
of
of
sickness
sickness
and healthy,
and healthy,
forsaking all.
forsaking all.
I will
I will
be faithful
be faithful
to you
to you
as long
as long
I shall live.
as I shall live.
Nick,
Nick,
you are my husband.
you are my husband.
I will love you,
I will love you,
comfort you,
comfort you,
honor you
honor you
in the time of sickness
in a time of sickness
and healthy,
and healthy,
forsaking all.
forsaking all.
I will be
I will be
faithful to you
faithful to you
so long
so long
after I shall live.
after I shall live.
Thank you so much. Right, finger.
Sorry.
Yeah, too small. All right. Okay, you ready? Song. Repeat after me. Song.
Song,
I give you
I give you
this ring
this ring
as a symbol
as a symbol
of my vow,
of my vow,
and I with all that
and I will all that
I am
I am
and all that
and all that
I have,
I have,
I honor you
and honor you
in the name of
in the name of
the Father,
the Father,
the Son,
the Son,
and the Holy Spirit.
and the Holy Spirit.
Nick,
Nick,
I give you
I give you
this ring
this ring
as a symbol
as a symbol
of my vow,
of my vow,
and with all
and with all
that I am
that I am
and all that I have,
and all that I have,
I honor you
and honor you
in the name of the Father,
in the name of the Father,
and the Son,
the Son,
and the Holy Spirit.
and the Holy Spirit.
Thank you so much. Okay, now we will go ahead and it's time for you to do the unity ceremony.
The bride and groom will now plant a small tree, signifying the joining of their lives together, the commitment that they have made to one another, and the strength and nurturing each will provide to the relationship as they grow and mature together.
Long before Nick and Song had the pleasure of knowing each other, their families provided them with a foundation of love and support, which has made them into the people we see before us today.
I pronounce you husband and wife, so you can take
Hello everyone. I'd like to thank you everyone for coming here to celebrate this wonderful day for my son Nick and my newly welcoming daughter-in-law Song, celebrating their wonderful day. So thank you for coming again and enjoy the evening. Thank you.
Nous y nous dùng của tương thái ta dùng từ ông nó là thì của rau sa tại của tương thái của tàu từ ông nó của tương thái từ chỉ là để nhà từ lúc này có hoàn mấy rồi nhà tận thế của thọ mà chỉ là sau phòng không có của tương thái từ ông này có rong cứ là chỉ có tàu nữa có rồi Xyoo có thằng nó lao lao có cái tôi kia là quan phụ chế cái nhà cái ta là có phụ na nó nói nó rong của tôi thái tao cho tôi bảo nó là chỉ có tôi Xyoo ở tôi lúc này có tập ban chỉ rồi nhà tận thế của tao học rồi thì phải lên
Every one of you are friends, family, relatives. We all know each other. This is the community from Eau Claire, Minnesota, here in Wausau, anywhere else in Illinois. So thanks for coming. We hope that you enjoy the event as well as the food. And yeah, that's all.
我就biết số lượng từ tụi này tao có ông nữa nó chú sinh chấp bởi ở trên linh thiệt giờ tôi bắt cái đầy đủ giờ chỉ muốn đây cái lưu trong trong chỉ tiền đi đâu giờ chỉ tổng bây gì mà nó bây giờ nhớ để nói mà đi giờ đây chỉ bán sữa rồi chứ này bán sữa anh ấy hỗ trợ giờ tôi bán đi lấy khỏi này tôi bán ở trong.
I also wanted to thank everyone that was helping with the party as well. The Ntxhoos, the sisters and sister-in-laws, and photographer and DJ and Kong and Betty as well. So, thank you.
Wise men say only fools rush in, for I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin? Út xì bao lo đau lung chung, út kê lu lo cha.
里，解脱要糟糕，有糟糕一类，有那有呀，咱也不要配合，我们离那天呀，寂寞的，寂寞更要的哭一下，这股英雄无限。
Tili nukunjiko kulune nulonta biwaka nyonda isha tau kulundu du chawdi katwa ku tsai dei walu ting ti dokupa toke 我就祷告走给路，有寂寞干脆有寂寞，古马我才得等高路过我，古马我路高，don't祷告古有路。
The one that fits that question the most, if they raise the bride shoe, she matches or fits that question the most.
Okay.
You guys can play along and guess at your own tables, okay?
So the first series of questions are kind of questions to kind of get to know the couple themselves and their relationship with each other. The first question is, who is older? Lift it high and proud.
Who was the first one to have a crush on the other? Feel free to shout out your answers if you want.
Who made the first move?
All right. This one is always the one that my wife and I fight over. Who was the first to say, I love you?
Now that you guys are married, you guys are going to develop a different routine with each other, okay? But the first one is, who gets up first in the morning?
Who takes the longest to get ready for anything?
It's funny because that's usually how it goes, but my husband takes the longest, actually.
We're the opposite.
Who is more patient?
Who is more likely to apologize first?
Who wants a baby first? How sweet. Okay, going along with that baby question, who is going to be the more strict parent?
Wow. Who loves the other more? Yeah, okay, very good, very good. So for this next one, I want, before they answer, I want you guys to shout out the answer collectively, okay? Because I want you guys to be involved too. So the next one, who is the cheaper one? All right? All right, you guys, go ahead. Who's right?
Alrighty, these questions get a little bit more competitive, okay? Who is the better cook?
All right, you.
Who is the better dancer? Maybe we can witness this one tonight.
I saw Nick dance for the first time a few months ago at a wedding of a couple that's here tonight, and he was really awesome. Who dresses better?
A little competition in this one. Who is the better kisser?
Who is the smarter one?
Are you sure? Who is better with kids?